Hello guys, once again, welcome back to our channel, Tadzmania Hits. First and foremost, ako ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta dito sa ating channel. At sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please press the subscription button and the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga videos na ating i-upload. At bago ang lahat, shoutout muna kay Ma'am Madeline Moray and family dyan sa Sydney, Australia. Kay Ma'am Rosia Archadera and family dyan sa Imus, Cavite. Yan po ay mula kay Mr. and Mrs. Dan H. Bendo and family ng Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Special na pagbati din sa Palawan National School Batch 82. Thank you very much for inviting us during your class reunion at Lacobel Beach Resort. And thank you very much for this souvenir item na gamit po. Thank you very much po, Palawan National School Batch 82. At sa Sulit 76, patuloy niyong pagsuporta dito sa ating channel. Thank you very much. This time, ibibigay ko po awiting pinasikat ng grupong 3CR, a song entitled, Have You Ever Seen the Rain? So please join me in singing this very beautiful song. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. Have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterdays and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time, till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know it can stop my wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down Sunday? Right guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye and God bless us all.